In this video, let me show you how to perform the hard reset. Let me show you how to restore factory settings of the OMODA car. So if you are selling the car or you would like to simply go back to the manufacturer settings, let's just find and select the following instructions. Let's begin by using the apps icon. So the second icon from the left down corner, select here the settings. From the list of settings, you need to scroll down to open the system, and from system, let's scroll down again, and as you can see now, you can tap restore factory settings. So this will reset all settings, it will also erase all data, but if you would like to accomplish this, you need to enter the verification code to verify the owner's identity. After verification, you can reset all the settings. So you can input the phone number and get the verification code, then this button will be enabled and you will be able to accomplish the hard reset. In my case, I won't be doing this right now, but if you are the owner, all you need to do is just input the phone number, input the code, and it will be done. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.